This data center, I think, has meant a lot of things to Los Lunas. I think one of the things that come to mind is opportunity. Us being here, it's not just been a one-person show or one company show. We've been reliant on so many teams, so many companies, so many people involved in the community to make this happen.
It has put the village of Los Lunas on the map. It's spurred local entrepreneurship. It has helped with attraction of other types of industry in terms of manufacturing, distribution, and also the data center has just been a great community partner.
Not just the Meta team, but the Fortis team as one of our primary points of contact has also been involved with volunteer work. They've been really open to coordinating different types of projects to go out and make a difference in the community, so we're looking forward to continuing that relationship.
I've worked here and in this area for almost 20 years, and this project and Cupertino being here has allowed me to grow as a person, as a leader. So I think that's probably the biggest thing for me.
I think with Meta's commitment to reaching out to our schools, to nonprofits, to education, we're not losing our youngest and our brightest to other communities. They're able to stay in our town. It's important to me.
Opportunities for a new generation, my kids and everybody's kids here in Los Lunas.
My favorite memory at the Los Lunas Data Center has been walking with a lot of my coworkers, bosses throughout the job and having them kind of just be so open and teaching to me. Just doing that year over year and kind of being able to see the building actually get built from the ground all the way to finish has just been a truly rewarding experience for me.
Looking back, going from an empty desert to one building, two buildings, and then three buildings complete is pretty impactful.
I mean, from the first celebration of the last piece of steel on the first building to the completion of the VLL project. I mean, there's just 1,000,001 memories.
We've come a long way from break ground to closing out our last DC building, so it is an amazing project with a lot of amazing people.
The growth that we see just within the last 4 or 5 years, so many more businesses went up, so many more people came into the city, more recognition.
The data center has brought a lot of job opportunities, not only for the city, but for the state.
When people leave this construction site and leave this project, I want them to remember this project as the best construction project they were ever a part of.